What's up guys, Adam with IntoVenture here. This is my shoe bin. It's flipped upside down, obviously, because I am trying to attach a couple of mounts to it. Now this might not work, and I've made peace with that. It's not that big of a deal, but it's fun to try stuff. So this is gonna go mounted in here. It actually fits in that little crevice if you cut this out for the bolt to be able to sit. But anyway, this will go on top of it, and then you bolt it together, and you can now fit it onto something. Shoe bin, or I mean, you can put whatever you want in it, obviously. We use it for the shoes currently. There's previous short that I have on that, but what do we mount it to? Well, mount it on the ladder here, and as long as it goes tight enough, and this is where it could fail, it won't like rotate. But then at least I have the option to keep it on the outside of the vehicle. You can lock the bin and all that, but yeah, we'll see if it works. And there's just a fox running through the neighborhood, so that's fun. A perfect fit. Even when you do take it off, it still sits flat. All right, guys, worked out pretty good. Yeah, just mounted to the ladder. Quick open here. You got some nice little exterior storage for some stuff. I'm gonna use it for shoes. I had to cut out the base of it. Actually, that's where the drill went through it a little bit, which marked it, which gave me, you know, the thought of, oh yeah, it's gonna need to fit at least the top of the bolt. So this will slide right in there, where those bolts are. Still. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. It's got a little track that it's got to fit into. Still fits in there perfectly. Room to spare for the bolts. Probably too much, but doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm gonna load some shoes in here real quick. Sweet. So I can store 2 extra pairs of shoes for me, and then leave room for 1, 2, whatever extra pairs. Depending on what you're putting in here, obviously. I've got my Tiva sandals back there, and then my Tiva camp shoes. Let me know if you guys want any reviews on those. These ones are pretty cool. Anyway, I think this was a successful mission. Yep, sealed. I think we're looking good here. I mean, it'll shake a little bit on a trail, but it's on. Nice. All right, like the video, sub to the channel, and tune in next time for whatever I come up with, I suppose. See you guys.